Hey, what is up, guys? Today I am going to be showing you how to install Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. For first step, you have to go to Chrome and just type Minecraft APK and go to this one right here, Minecraft Pocket Edition. Download APK for Android. So go there and just wait. And, now just install it. Just tap OK. Oh, and I almost forgot. Make sure you have to go to security. Okay. And hold up. And make sure your unknown resources are activated so you can download it. So now you just wait, and yeah, just like that. Now you want to go to here, make sure you don't delete it, or else I think you have to go all of this again. Actually, I forgot. This will download the aptoid first, and then you can go to the aptoid. So it's installing the aptoid. So you guys have to wait for a sec. Now you open aptoid, just like I said. So wait for a sec. Now that now this is aptoid. Now I want to choose any. Now you can choose any version you want, like this one. It has 60 million downloads. It's the latest version of it, so let's just install it. And now you must wait again. And if you want to go out, then just go out. It doesn't stop, so yeah. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe. Sorry guys, that was just my mom opening a door. So yeah, it's almost done. Just a little bit longer and you guys can have this Minecraft Pocket Edition. And yeah. Okay, so now it's download. You don't have to read all this. Just go down and then install it. So now it is installing it. You have to wait another minute probably. Just a couple seconds though. Now, there you go. You have Minecraft Pocket Edition. So, yeah. There you go. You got Minecraft. And my name and my YouTube channel name is J the DJ. This is legit. This is definitely not fake. It's 100% real, guys. Okay. So, yeah, don't forget to make sure to like and subscribe. Now, see you guys